Hi everybody, it's Sue. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing this kit by Madam Glam. They sent me some polishes, so I wanted to show them to you and also do a design with them. So the kit comes with a base coat and top coat. All full-size bottles, by the way. This awesome orange color, and this is blood orange. It's like a neon orange. And the pink color, light pink, really pretty light pink, is called Perfect Pink. And they also have this kind of like shimmery nude color too, and that one is Casual Friday. So here are the three colors swatched on some swatch sticks for you so you can see. Very pretty, vibrant, all with one coat, by the way. I didn't have to do two coats for these swatches. And then we also have this little mini lamp that they sent me to, which I thought was super cool and very nice. Okay, so by now we've all seen this French tip hack on TikTok and Instagram and stuff, where you take a jelly stamper, put some polish on it, and you kind of like press your nails into it to create a French. So I really wanted to try that to see if it actually worked. So I went on with my orange color from Madam Glam, put that on the stamper, added a little bit of white because I wanted to do kind of like a marble tip design. So I'm just gonna like squiggle that white into the orange until I kind of get the consistency and like the color combination that I want. And once I've got my colors down, I'm just gonna take the stamper and press it into my nails. And as you can see, it works. Like, the polish is on the tip. It is a little messy because it gets on like your fingertips and on the underside of your fingertips too, so you're gonna have to go back in and clean. And what I noticed about this method is that I found it a very like quick and efficient way to get the French on there. I found that you still have to go back in and like clean up the smile line and stuff, but like for the most part, like you do get the French tip, and to me this makes things a lot easier. And then yeah, everything, I mean the smile line looks pretty good as is, but I'm still gonna go back and clean up a little bit. So after I did that, I took the Perfect Pink color and I added some dots to add a little something extra to the design. This design idea is actually credited to another YouTuber I saw do this pretty much same exact thing when she was doing her jelly stamper French review and design. I forgot her name, but I will link her if I can because she did a really awesome demonstration, and this design is who I got the idea from. I just can't remember her name and I'm so sorry, but I'll link that if I can. And then just to make things a little bit more fancy, I'm gonna go in with some white polish, a thin, what is it called? Like a thin nail brush to do like liner brush. And I'm just gonna go in and kind of outline the French tip. Again, y'all know I can't draw stuff like this, it's so hard for me, but I was able to do it and I'm so proud of myself. Also friends, if you're interested in this kit or any of the other stuff they have on Madam Glam's website, I do have a discount code for you. You will receive 30% off your entire order with the code, so make sure you check my description box so you can save yourself some money. And there we go, the finished design. I like it. I think this is a good method to do. Saves time and stress. But thank you, Madam Glam, and thank you all for watching today. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!